Ikunin update dyan ko Cheers and Mr. Jericho Rosales update more kaganapan sa birthday sa lubong ni Mission Gutierrez and sa new song release ni Diego Gutierrez. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel again and again. So welcome back po muli sa aking channel guys. So for today's video update, mag-i-ikunin update ang person. Hindi magiging mimosa slide, charing lang. Walang pagiging mimosa dito guys. Ikunin update with the fam update lang. With the fam update lang po. So ito yung more kaganapan pa nila during Jigo's new song release Huling Sayaw then birthday sa lubong ni Miss Janine Gutierrez and of course bulol ka na naman te. Full support nga ang pamilya ni Jigo sa kanya. Second time na to na pumunta ni Miss Janine Gutierrez ng gig ni Diego kasi yung first release song ni Diego is present nga din si Miss Janine Gutierrez din. Ito na yung pangalawa, Huling Sayaw. New song release so pangalawa ng punta ni Miss Janine Gutierrez to support Diego kasi nga alam niya naman si Miss Janine Gutierrez basis sa taping and today nga is nasa taping nga ang Team Lavender Fields. Ito nga ang pinost ng Mansion Sports Bar kung saan nag-perform ng live performance ni Diego sa kanyang new single Huling Sayaw. So ayan, Mansion Sports Bar page Diego Gutierrez captivated the audience with his new single Huling Sayaw at Mansion Fest last Friday. The energy was incredible and his performance was truly electrifying, on fire. And of course, nag-thank you nga si Diego Gutierrez sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa kanya sa kanyang bagong kanta, Huling Sayaw din. And that's it guys. So hope you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love that. Ingat kayo lahat again and again. So lang guys, ingat. Love that so much. Konting ikunin update lang po sa kaganapan nila sa birthday sa lubong ni Mission Gutierrez and sa new song release na Mr. Diego Gutierrez, the one and only brother of Miss Janine G.